How do I share my account with a spouse or teacher? We recognize that PeakDay is used by our CCL students as couples, and you may need to share your account with your spouse or your teacher to help you along the way of fertility tracking and learning NFP. Let's start by explaining how to share your account with your spouse. It is very simple. Step 1. Only the main account holder, let's say you, set up your PeakDay account with your username, email, and password. You select your subscription plan. Premium is best for this purpose. You only pay once or start your free trial. Step 2. Have your spouse download PeakDay on their phone, and when they are prompted to log in, do not create a new account. Have them log in with your username and password. That will allow them to use your account on their device. It's as simple as that. To share your account with an NFP teacher or fertility instructor, you just need to take 3 easy steps. First, inside of PeakDay, tap on Help. Select Share Account. This will take you to a form that you fill out, allowing your teacher or fertility coach to have access to your account. The shared account will not be automatic, because we need to verify the completion of the form. Remember, if you just want to share one chart, not your whole account, you can simply click Share Chart and email or text the chart to your teacher. PeakDay makes sharing easy. If you have any questions, we are here to help. Visit www.peakday.com and go to the Contact Us page to email, call, or chat live with us. We are happy to help get you started.